Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the name of your meeting on the Webex Meet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the past icon down below, which is the third option. After that, select one of your personal rooms, click on the relevant one, and if you would like to change its name, all you have to do is clicking on the pencil icon next to its title, then delete it and type in a new name. Press this check mark icon. Tap on save, and as you can see, you have updated the name of your meeting. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.